Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. If you love fast, flavorful vegetables, this dish is for you. In this video, we're making stir-fried water spinach that stays crisp, garlicky, and restaurant good at home. If you've ever watched stir-fried water spinach hit a hot wok, you know why people love it. 1 minute it looks like a big, wild pile of greens. The next it's glossy, bright, and ready to eat. This quick cook is a staple in Chinese, Vietnamese, and Thai home kitchens because it's fast, affordable, and tastes like something you'd order at a restaurant. Water spinach is also sold as morning glory, kangkong, or Ong Choy. When it's done right, it's garlicky, savory, and crisp tender, with juicy stems and soft leaves. This video covers how to buy and prep it, how to stir-fry it without sogginess, plus a few easy variations. What is water spinach and how to buy the best bunch? Water spinach is a leafy green with long hollow stems and pointed leaves. It cooks fast, like spinach, but it keeps more crunch, closer to a tender green bean. The flavor is mild and grassy, which is why garlic and salty sauces taste so good on it. You'll find it most often at Asian grocery stores, usually in large bunches, sometimes with roots still attached. Some supermarkets carry it near other greens, especially in areas with big Southeast Asian communities. The only real downside is grit. Water spinach often grows near water and sandy soil, so it can hide dirt in the stems and around the leaf joints. A good wash matters as much as the stir-fry. Names to look for at the store include water spinach, Ong Choy, kangkong, and morning glory. It's the same vegetable with different names, depending on the store and community. Choose bunches with bright green leaves and firm stems. A fresh stem should snap when you bend it, not fold like a straw. Skip bunches with yellowing leaves, slimy spots, or a strong swampy smell. A little dampness from misting is normal, but it shouldn't feel sticky. How to prep water spinach for stir-frying: wash, trim, and cut for even cooking. Start by shaking the bunch and pulling off any damaged leaves. Rinse under cool water, then soak it in a big bowl of water for a few minutes. Swish it around to loosen sand. Lift the greens out of the bowl instead of dumping the water out, because the grit sinks. Rinse again if the bowl looks sandy. Dry well with a salad spinner or towels, because wet greens steam and turn watery in the pan. Trim any tough ends, then cut into 2 to 3 inch pieces. If the stems are thick, separate stems from leafy tops so you can cook stems first. Basic food safety still counts here. Wash your hands and use a clean cutting board. Classic garlic stir-fried water spinach, easy recipe and timing. This is the version to learn first. It's simple, but it moves fast, like a short song with no chorus. Once the pan is hot, the whole cook takes about 2 to 4 minutes, so measure and mix everything before you start. Ingredients include 1 large bunch of water spinach washed and dried well, 4 to 6 garlic cloves finely chopped, neutral oil such as canola, avocado, or peanut oil, soy sauce or tamari, optional oyster sauce for sweetness and depth, a pinch of sugar, water or broth only if needed, salt to taste, and optional chili, white pepper, or a few drops of sesame oil. Now that you've seen how to prep and stir-fry water spinach the right way, the next part will cover sauces, variations, and serving ideas. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.